my dear children of class 2. So children, today in EVS we will continue with the third chapter in EVS. So in the previous class what we have learnt? Being a good neighbor, right? The next one was spending time with your friends, right? So being a good neighbor, how you should be? You should be friendly. You should be very cooperative to people, right? We have done that. I hope you all are being a good neighbor. Okay? Helping mommy and daddy at home and also helping your environment, your neighbor, right? And spending time with friends. Okay. Playing some games like indoor games and outdoor games. Now you know what are indoor games? Games which you play within the room, right? Okay. And outdoor games which when you go outside in the park or in the field, you play outside, right? So now we will continue this chapter with another subtopic, that is. So children, today in this chapter we will do people who need special care and pets. So come, let's see. So today we will learn people who need care. And who are these people? You know? What do you think? Who are these people who we should be very caring towards them? Who are these people who needs care? Yes, the old people, right? You have your grandma, your grandpa at home who are, they are forgetting things. They cannot remember where they have kept their things, and they lose certain things, so you have to help them out. Okay, sometimes they forget to take medicine, so you have to give them medicines on time. Okay, take small responsibility, okay, children. And then who are the other people? Yes, there are some people those who are not able to walk. We have learnt in chapter 1, we have learnt about external organs, internal organs, your sense organs, right? So all these are the parts of a body. But there are some people, their external parts does not work properly. You must have seen people around you, okay, that they are not able to walk. They cannot move their hands, right? So their external parts is not helping them to work. It's not working properly, right? So when they cannot walk properly, they need some help, right? You will see people sitting on the wheelchair and they move because the external parts are not very strong, not working properly, right? So these people are called differently abled people. Okay, so they need care, right? How will they move about? So we need to be caring towards them, right? We have to help them. They cannot reach out. So old people, the sick people also need help caring. Yes, you will see in hospitals, the nurses, they take care of the sick people. They give them medicines, they give them food on time. So being very caring towards these sick people, towards the old people, towards the differently abled people, and also pets. When we have pets at home, they are not able to talk like us. They cannot express what they want, or when they are not well, right? So we have to take care of them. We have to be loving towards them. So when they fall sick, pets, what do we have to do? When we fall sick, what do? We go to the doctor, and doctor take care of us. He checks, he does all the checkup of our body, and then he gives us medicine according to whatever problem we have. So similarly for pets are taken to the doctor, and these doctors are called, vet. Okay, so like that we can take care of the pets also. Now children, what we will do? We will read from the book. From your EVS book, page 22. People who need special care. Now, who are these people? We have learnt about our sense organs and how they help us see and feel the world around us. However, some people have sense organs that do not work properly. This is why some people cannot see, hear or speak properly. Some people also have external organs that do not work properly. Some of them may not be able to walk. They may use a wheelchair. Now this is called wheelchair, okay? It has wheels and it is a chair. Others may not be able to use their hands. All these people are called differently abled people, right? Sometimes old people cannot look after themselves because these people, the old peoples, their hands and legs, their body becomes weak, okay? So the body parts doesn't help them to work properly. People who are ill also cannot do everything on their own, right? Now, those who are sick, they need someone to take care of them, okay? All these people need special love and care. We can help the differently abled by becoming their friends and helping them in the tasks which they find difficult because they are not able to. So we have to show our love and care to them, right? We can help the old and the sick by giving them their food and medicines on time. We can spend time with them so that they won't feel lonely when they are old, when they are sick, because they are not able to do anything, they cannot move about, so they feel lonely. So we should be with them and spend time with them. They'll feel nice. We should not talk loudly or make noise near them when they are resting, okay? Because their body parts become very weak. They need rest. We should not disturb them. Pets. As we learned earlier, some families have animals that live with them in their homes. And these animals becomes like a family members, isn't it? Such animals are called pets. Our pets are also members of our family. Just as our family members take care of us, we have to take care of our pets. We should give them healthy food and clean water. We should play with them. We should take them to the vet when they fall ill. So, like a friend, like the family member, how you play with each other, you should also give time to the pet and play with them. Okay, they enjoy. Do you like to play with your pets? Yes. So children, today we have finished chapter 3. So you are going to read this chapter. Know the difficult words. Learn the spellings. Right? We'll meet again in the next video where we will do the fill in the blanks, question and answer. Right? Till then, take care. Bye children.